Welcome back to my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and today I'm fixing a bathroom, and I picked up, I don't like the way the vanity look, see a lot of imperfections, so cheapest way for me was to get some tiles. I didn't want to go with wood. I found this white tile at Lowe's for $149. They are 3-inch tall and 12-inch wide. Of course I need to cut them, and to cut them I'm just going to use a regular grinder. Actually that's a metal blade, although they do sell, they looks exactly the same at Harbor Freight, pretty much the same money, and masonry type blade looks, I can see a visual difference, just is marked masonry instead of metal. Those are the better type. There is a kit of 10, I think it's like $7-8. There is 6 metal and 4 masonry, and some are thicker for finishing. Anyway, let me show you how to cut the tile. I already marked where I need to cut it, and let's get going. The key to do the cut is moving the grinder back and forth. If I do it, okay, I have only one end, it's not gonna be hard. I move it back and forth, into my cut, and then I normally look on the edge, I see how deep it goes, and then it just snaps like a tile cutter would do. Just easy. I didn't want to go and get my tile cutter and all that for 2 little tiles, so I'm just going to use the grinder with a metal wheel, but it does work. So in less than 4 or 5 minutes I have my tile. I already cut one, that's my second one. It is not pretty good. I put the pressure from the back toward the front. I'm just going to kind of smooth the edges with the same metal blade. Thank you again for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo. Like I said, I put pressure in it snaps. I'm gonna just now polish it a little, although it's really not necessary, but just smooth the edges using the same blade. And today we did cut the tile using a regular metal cutting blade for a grinder. And the protection, I do have it, I just removed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.